Hello, welcome to CX Training. My name is Giles Watson. At CX Training, we believe that there's more than one way to sell. And this is why so much off-the-shelf sales training will not suit your company. At CX Training, we believe in tailoring sales training to your specific needs. So we get to understand you, what you're trying to achieve. We get to understand your team. We try and understand your customers. So we can tailor a specific program of sales training to your needs. So there's more than one sales process. We will help you understand that. We'll help you develop that if needed be, but then we can tailor the sales training around that sales process. There's a lot more to sales training than just a process. One of the things we focus on is the sales mindset, what your salespeople are thinking, what are their attitudes, what are their limiting beliefs, what are their anxieties, what are their blockages. So we try and understand that, and we give them techniques to work through that. We also try and understand the customer's emotions, particularly how they need to feel in order to buy from you and to feel good about that. Your salespeople have got to meet a number of emotional needs to get that sale, and that's something we specifically focus on. We will deliver training in a number of communication skills, whether that's rapport building, questioning and listening, building trust, relationship skills, or a range of challenges in relation to pricing and closing. Again, whatever your sales process, whatever your sales training needs, we can develop a training package just for you. So please get in touch, give me a call, and I'll be able to get back to you with a tailored proposal once we've got some understanding of your needs. Thanks very much.